Hello, Mrs. Gorley students. Hello to both my English 9 CP and my English CR classes. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself since we can't be together at the start face-to-face. So I am Mrs. Gorley and I will be your English teacher this semester. I'm super excited to have you, and for those of you who are freshmen, you are just gonna love your Dobyns Bennett High School experience. I'm hopeful that we will be back together face-to-face very soon. So I just wanted to let you know what to expect for your English classes. To start, we will be doing our work during this digital learning time through Google Classroom. Now, I know some of your classes are going to be working on Canvas, and I will link on our Canvas homepage. I will put a link to send you over to Google Classroom. For English class, I just really like Google Classroom a ton because of the collaborative things that we can do, especially with writing and Google Docs and Google Forms and sheets and things. So there are just so many options, and it really is a platform that lends itself so well to English. So that's where we will be hanging out and doing most of our stuff. So along with this video, I'm also sending out a welcome letter if you weren't able to stop by Thursday or today. Today is Friday. And in the welcome letter is your Google Classroom class code. So the number one thing to do to be ready for Monday is to sign up in our Google Classroom. And once there on Monday, you're going to see your assignments pushed out to you. You'll find our syllabus as well as some of our first day activities. I also just want you to know that I'm sending out the virtual learning schedule. It has shifted a bit from our traditional schedule here if we were face-to-face. So it is a little bit nice. So say you are in A block, you don't have to start at 7:45. So I will send that so that you can see it, because the idea is that you are actually doing work for your classes at the time that class is actually scheduled, that you would be here at school. So say you have me for C block, you would be doing your work during C block time. So take a look at that schedule, because we also from time to time will do Google Meets so that we can see each other face to face and see if you have any questions, or even if there's a concept that maybe I need to teach right there live for you. And I will be sending you invitations for that, and those will happen during your class period. Right now, my plan is to send you an invitation for our first Google Meet to be Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. Monday, I just want you to get situated and oriented into Google Classroom and start some of those assignments that are out there and be looking over our syllabus. If you have any questions, the fastest and easiest way to get a hold of me is through email. And I am looking so forward to this semester, and I'm excited to be back at school even though the situation is not ideal. I hope you are too. Please let me know if there's anything I can help you with. We're gonna have a great year 2020. I'll see all you soon. Happy first day of school on Monday, and roll Tribe.